Hello guys, welcome to another YouTube video. I haven't made one in a week, yeah. So today we're gonna explore. We're gonna see if we can try to take down one of the biggest browser giants out there, Google Chrome. Can Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer replace Google Chrome? Let's see. We'll find out here. So here we are on Mozilla Firefox 50.01, 50.0.1, that'd be exact. This is, and yeah, I see I got an add-on to get the old Vivo logo back. It doesn't matter really. The rest of it's material design, so yeah, it sucks. So we're gonna see. So let's take a look at Chrome's best features. What? Oh, come on. Oh yeah. Oh, fine. Sorry about that freak out over there. It was weird. Features. Take a cruise. Let's see if Firefox will go here. And by the way, the layout I'm using here is not default. It's pretty much a mix of add-ons I installed. The classic theme restore and classic buttons-ish, kind of stuff. Try to Google search again. Oh, now my internet's down. Okay, we're gonna have some technical difficulties because my internet's down. There we go, it should work now. There we go. So we go here to Chrome's official, the Google Chrome official, Alright, so the first thing it's got is speed. So if we're going to test Chrome, I don't care about Google update. Okay, so speed. Now I know there's a site out there called speedbattle.com. Speed battle, yeah, so we're going to test how fast speed Firefox is compared to Chrome. Speed battle. Let's see if I can go on this website. I remember this website crashing on Firefox a couple times, and it's starting to crash already. So I have some technical difficulties with this one. This might take a while. We're having technical issues. Okay, let's pause the recording. Oh, there we go. Oh, we're back. We're back. Okay, so it didn't, and so ended up not crashing. Thank you. Oh my gosh. Oh. So as you can see here, Firefox performs at 784.57. Now keep that number in mind, as we're gonna go to Chrome and find its score, and we'll see how it performs compared to Firefox. All right. So I'm back here, and we're looking at Chrome score. It's got 862.52.52. Looks like Chrome is faster, has a better performance than Firefox in this test. But this video isn't just Firefox versus Chrome. It's going to be Firefox and Internet Explorer versus Chrome. So we have to try Internet Explorer speed battle test here. Let's go. And looks like we have a score now. Internet Explorer got 648.9. So it looks like Chrome is the winner on speed as we did our speed test here. Went by around 800. Firefox around 700 and Internet Explorer at 600. So both Firefox and Internet Explorer could beat Chrome on speed. Which means that so what about simplicity? Chrome's browser window streamlined, clean, and simple. Search and navigate from the same box and range tabs while you wish. Yeah, so Chrome has some basic tab switching features, and the search bar and stuff. But Firefox, the classic theme restore, if you get that installed, it makes it's actually even more Firefox is actually more customizable if you install CTR and all this stuff. You can put. This is something Chrome can't do. You can't get the old search back. You can't even get the old Chrome look back in Chrome anymore. Well, only in versions Chrome 55 and up. If you go back to Chrome 54 or earlier, there is a way to get the old Chrome look back, and it's honestly better than what Google's got going for now. Unlike in Firefox, where you can go back to the old look in any version by installing CTR, and you can pretty much post and buttons anywhere, and it just makes them more overall more customizable experience. Actually, security. Chrome is designed to keep you safe and more secure on the web. Yeah, I believe Firefox and Internet Explorer are actually pretty much at the same security as Chrome, but I'm not sure if there is really a site to test privacy. Now Chrome has incognito mode, but it's also true that that Firefox also has a private browsing window. You can see right here, and got that going. Private browsing, so that's. I'm not sure if Internet Explorer has that. We're gonna see if it does. So I checked, and Internet Explorer does not have a private browsing window section, but Firefox does, so we can do that. Okay, customization. Now, customization. Chrome, you can customize, the browser look and stuff. The browser look, and you can, it's fine. But you can customize the browser look in Firefox as well, like have themes and such. But even more customization, as I already explained earlier in the video. You get classic theme restore, and that should work. And you can get instantly more customization in Chrome. I mean, even without CTR, you can still get a little bit more customization out of Firefox than you can in Chrome. And Chrome is restricted to search bar. The search bar, universal search bar, address bar, and Firefox is the only mainstream browser that still has an actual search bar on the right side with an address bar, like the good old internet days. And Internet Explorer also only has this universal search bar, and you can't change it. It's Internet Explorer is actually the least customizable. There's no themes for it. The layout is like that. You have to accept it, and that's what it is. Firefox wins in customization, actually. So, signing in, the sync. Chrome has the sync thing, it syncs your Google account. It's a really nice feature, except Firefox also has that feature too. Now, it doesn't fully sync everything, but it kind of does what Chrome's syncing feature does. Meanwhile, Internet Explorer doesn't have that feature. There's no syncing anymore. It doesn't have that feature, so just kind of, Alright, so those are some of the other the main features of Chrome, what they're advertising. Okay, so what about Adobe Flash? Everyone likes to use Flash still, and reads Flash. Now, the thing is, Firefox does not come with Flash. You have to install it first to get it working. And even I still installed it. I haven't installed Flash on Firefox, so Internet Explorer already does have Flash installed, and you can go there and go, Flash, and you can see Adobe Flash test. I think it might be, so. I think it is already installed on this browser. So if you need something in Flash and Firefox doesn't have Flash, but you don't want to use Chrome, then you can use Internet Explorer for your Flash needs. It's not as terrible as people thought it would be. So that's interesting. All free browsers can support HTML5 just fine. All free browsers. Now, what's interesting is about Internet Explorer is that it has this thing called F12 Developer Tools. The F12 Developer Tools, and now both Chrome and Firefox have their own F12 developer tools, but this one is the most interesting because this one opens up in a new window because it has emulation, and this allows you to basically you can actually go use any older versions of Internet Explorer here. So technically you have more than one version installed on your computer. You can go back to Internet Explorer 10. Alright. Here's Google in Internet Explorer 10. And Internet Explorer 9, and we can go back to Internet Explorer 9, which this is the which basically I use this mode, this emulation mode, to emulate Internet Explorer 9, and the Internet Explorer 9 is obsolete video, which I did a while back, and it has this feature. And then you can go back to Internet Explorer 8, released in 2009. Hold on, waiting for Google to load. Let's see. Oh, there we go. It's Google. Internet Explorer 8, and we can even go back to Internet Explorer 7. It was even older, released in 2007, so almost 10 years old. 2000. And then comes Internet Explorer 6. Basically just have the document mode, which looks like this. Google looks like this in the IE6, and it's got the old white Google bar layout from 2008. Yeah, that's amazing, but it says the new Google logo, and you can't change that. I forgot to mention add-ons. Add-ons are both available in, Chrome. You can see right here, and they're also in Firefox, but not in Internet Explorer. You can't install, add-ons like Stylus and stuff on Internet Explorer. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. But back to developer tools. And then you can go back to Internet Explorer 5. Oh boy, this is 1990s browser standards. It just, yeah. Now, if you go back far enough, you can actually go back to the old YouTube player. Now, it used to be possible if you just go back to Internet Explorer 9, but eventually IE9 replaced it. YouTube, the HTML5 player. If you go back to Internet Explorer 8. Well, actually, if you want a very classic experience, you can go to document mode Internet Explorer 9, but have the document mode in Internet Explorer 8. You can watch a YouTube video with the old player. Now, I also hear that Chrome has this add-on where, has this add-on where you can switch back to the Flash player, and that's pretty nice. But the Internet Explorer, if you go to that. If you go back to Internet Explorer 8 or Internet Explorer 9 and use the IE8's document mode, you can get back the old YouTube player, and this is Alice Jones, for example. I'm not going to play it. This is just showing you. You can see the old. So, that's the video. So that's the video. Here's the comments. Kind of. Internet Explorer has this good scrolling feature and stuff. So that is YouTube and IE developer mode. So that's all the stuff. And alright. So that's Internet Explorer and its developer tools. I'm going to close this window right here. Alright, we're back. Now there's YouTube. So, overall, can Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Firefox replace Chrome? In certain aspects, yes. But you have to continue to use both Firefox and Internet Explorer for certain things. So, I very much just use Firefox as my main browser. But if I want to have to run something like Flash or something, if I want to run something like Flash, or if I want to go back to an older web view, test out, older browsers, I would go to Internet Explorer to do that. It works that way. So, yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Hope just please like and subscribe. And if you do consider switching to Firefox or Internet Explorer, I'll help you make the transition process. There's a way to import your bookmarks and stuff, and bookmarks and passwords from Chrome onto Firefox or Internet Explorer. Now for you Mac and Linux users who don't have Internet Explorer but can get Firefox, you can just download Firefox later. I hear there's very similar browsers to Internet Explorer on But there's one called Conqueror, but I don't recommend using Conqueror as a good browser in place of Chrome. Since Conqueror uses the same web standards as Internet Explorer 6, for example. It isn't updated file. It uses the same web standard, so it's very old. So there's the bookmarks. I don't. So I'll end this video right